Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my weekly B-Boy tutorial. And today I'll be teaching you guys how to do the march step. But before I start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification icon so whenever there's a new video coming out from this very channel, you will get notified. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump to the tutorial. The very first step is you're gonna kick your right leg to the right side and then gonna press it back to the ground. It looks something like this. The next step, we're going to do the same thing with our left leg. So we're going to kick our left leg and place it to the ground as well. Now we're going to combine both. We're going to kick our right leg to the right side and then transit and kicking our left leg to the left side. But before we start doing that, make sure that when you kick and then when you're about to do the transitions, you are turning your right foot facing to the left side. Okay, remember that. Kick your right leg, press it down, and then turn your right foot facing to the left side, and then kick to the left side. Kick, turn, kick. Get used to the transitions, and now you're gonna do the same thing when you're about to go from the left side to the right kick. Okay, so now we combine both. We're gonna start kicking our right leg and then switch, kicking to our left leg, and then we're gonna switch again, kicking to the right. Kick, kick, kick. Get used to that basic first, and now we're gonna move on to the next step. Now next step is we're gonna add in a jump instead of a spin, okay? The spin is for you guys to get used to the movement, but not after you get used to that movement itself. Now instead of the spin, we're gonna do the jump, okay? So I'm gonna do it slow-mo. We're gonna kick our right leg, right? And now we're gonna kick our left leg, correct? So when I'm about to kick our left leg, we're gonna jump, look at my right leg. Again, like I said earlier, instead of spinning, we're gonna turn our right foot after the jump. Clear? One more time. Kick. Remember, after the kick, then you're gonna jump and switch. So for the basic level, you are turning, and for the more advanced, you are jump and switch. Now I'm gonna do the march step with a count. So here we go, and 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I can go to the front, and I can go to the back. I can go to the side. And there you go, the march step. You can see after you get the move down, you can basically go and do whatever side you want. If you're spinning, or go to which side. This is really helpful when you're battling or do a performance, alright? Now for the hand part, there are a few things that you can do. Let's say you're kicking your right leg to the right side, then your left hand is gonna move forward. Alright, same thing if you're kicking your left leg, then your right hand is gonna move forward. So you do something like this, kick. You can see my right hand or my left hand is moving forward. Alright, now my right hand is moving forward. Now that's the basic. You can do a lot of things with this. You can, it's like there's a pose that where you are pulling to each side. Okay, we can try it out. Or some people can do it by placing the hand on the head. As you can see, march step is a very fun move, but as a basic top rock, this one considered a more tedious top rock compared to the others, alright? But just take your time and just keep practicing and have fun with it. What I like about this move is there's a lot of things you can do with this march step, alright? So just be creative. That's about it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, give a thumbs up. I will see you guys next time.